I train 6 days a week, and I do around 80 to 90 miles a week. It's really hard. That's my job. I have to do it. Running has always been a part of my family. I would say I started running when I was really kid, like 6 years old. And then running to school and coming back home. My school was about, I might say, 5 kilometers from me. It was just fun. I have my brothers. We used to chase each other on weekends. Like we can really chase relay, like running, sprinting. After finish high school, I didn't join college, so I say maybe I can start running and make my life over there. You know, I do it. It's working. What motivated me to run is I don't want to depend on someone. I'm a single mom. I ran and I saved my money for me and my daughter. I can think about fear. I just feel like I have an angel facing me and I'll just follow it. In Kenya, running with a group is big, supportive, you don't feel lonely. When I go back to California, every single day I'll be solo. Being in California right now, far away from home, the phone is the main thing for me now to talk to my family. If you miss talking to them like 1 week, I feel sick. I bought a smartphone for my brother so he can do WhatsApp FaceTime, and I love it. Here in California, you can just get inside the house, switch on the lights, and charge a phone. There's internet there. In Kenya, there's nothing like that. We don't have electricity in my home. And every single time my families go to a small town so they can charge their phones there. Sometimes you can leave the phone the whole day. Many people come and charge their phones. It's in a line and you have to pay. Sometimes when I call them in US, like everyone is off. I can try like 5 different phones and none can go through. It makes me really crazy. I was running around like, what's going on? Is everything okay? It's a big thing for me. I do races and I've saved my money so I can fuel my parents' house. And I think I need something like solar. I am really excited, like really excited. They didn't even know like I was gonna fuel the house with them. It was just a surprise for them.
At the moment we're at Moiben, Jen's home. We came in, it was a nice welcome with the family. I was happy, glad with a warm welcome. This solar home system will enable Jen and the family here at home to be using the sun.
We used to buy kerosene so we can have light in the house. The kerosene is just a small thing, and if you're going to another room, you have to walk with that kerosene lamp all the way, and then the other side will be dark. Now much better with this solar. We don't have run of lights anymore. So I think it's a big deal, especially for the kids too. Okay, go. My nieces and my nephew will get treat from solar. It's free. Come direct to the sun, which is pure energy. No more darkness in my home. Growing up without electricity and now having solar, which they can charge their phone, they're not going to small town. It's a big, huge difference for me. Not only for me, for the whole family too. My next race in San Diego. I feel I'm in good shape for that, so I think I'm gonna win it. Before, when I go to the US, I really miss home, like really crazy. But now, I don't miss that much because they have phones. We can take a photo and send to WhatsApp and they can see Belfia's photos and Belfia can see it. It's very good. Belfia's give me energy to run and hold the family, so it's pushing you to do something. This is the way of me living. I try my best to run faster. There's nothing important more than a family, you know that's true. And I will never stop running.